Are you an ICT, SMC, PTMM, liquidity manipulation, expansion trader? You already know that one thing is difficult, and that is to predict where price is most likely to hit before it actually goes there. What if I told you I've made an indicator that helps you to know where exactly price could go to or could target to go to before the day actually completes? So early in the morning, you wake up and you already see the zones populated. This is the ADR Expansion Levels indicator, built solely to show where market could likely go to. So what it does, it shows you the market open, it shows you the 1/3 ADR, which is pretty much the first level, and then shows you the 1 ADR, which is level 3, and then it also shows the 3 ADR, which is level 9. So I know what I'm talking about now. I don't have time to explain, but you should be able to see by now on the screen that as soon as the market opens, right, you already have 2 lines plotted there, and the market moves down to this point, and this particular marking appears, and you can actually get a notification onto your phone of when this happens, and then voila, you can enter the market. You can either place a buy trade or whatever type of trade you need to place, or sell trade, depending on whether you've seen that the market structure has broken or could break this particular level, right? And you see here that if you're to place your trade from this particular point, you can actually place your stop loss at the previous day's ADR level. So you don't need to have very big stop losses. You can have a tight stop loss. It doesn't need to be very, very difficult, right? And if you look here, the market came here and bounced, right? And then it broke below this level. But after breaking below this level, you can see that the marking that is there, which is this one for the ADR for the next day, is this point, which you can actually use as your stop loss, right? And then you can enter this. You can just spend the entire day in your sell, not worry that the market will come back to hit your stop loss. So this is pretty much a very clean indicator, so to say. It's quite clean, helpful. You can see also here, this is what happened. The market came, broke below this level, the first ADR level, and then went and hit the second level there, right? Very, very key, very, very important. So this tool is available. I have placed it on my MQL5 as 99 US dollars. This is cheap, guys, especially for such a tool, especially if you are going to trade. I'm a funded trader myself, so I love having very good high probability setups. You can put this on any time frame. I mean, the levels don't change because of time frames. This is M15. As you can see there, this is M5. Still, you have quite good markings over there for the same level. So you don't really have to change anything. Right, there we go. There's that marking. First one over there. This is a lot of pips, by the way. From here to round about there, that's 51.30, 51.40, and 50.90. That's about 500 pips over there. Just that one move. You can see here, if you entered your sell on this particular point, this is going to be a lot of pips, more than 500 pips there as well. And then let's see the next point where this happened here. When the market touches this point, you can just enter your buy, trigger your buy there. it will come back up. You see there from 51.30 to about 51.70. That's 400 pips, just this one candlestick over there. Then when the market broke below this, you can wait for the retest and trigger your sell here, and that would be from 51.35 to 50.35. That's about 1,000 pips. So this is quite clean, guys. Just tell me if you want also, maybe I can actually add more notifications when the market touches the same levels, maybe twice or thrice in a day. Very important. Maybe here you can see that the market touched this point, then went down. So once you enter your sell or your buy, whatever it is, you can enter and then you put an SL that is equivalent to 1/3 of the ADR move as well. So if the ADR, like for example today, the ADR stands at 453 pips, so you can place you can divide that by 3. That's about 150 pips stop loss, and then you can have your TP as being 450 pips. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I hope this is informative and helpful. As you can see, you can mark your levels before the beginning of the day. As you can see over there, same thing. Yeah, so this is it.